Hi boys and girls, it's me, Mrs. Draycott again. I hope you're all well. Now today we are going to make a shadow drawing. So all you need is some paper, some sellotape, some pens, some objects, some toys, whichever ones you like, preferably ones that are quite big, not too small, and the sun needs to be out, so check outside. Is the sun shining? And luckily today it is. So get your sun hat, sun cream on, and come outside with me and Charlie. See you in a minute. Okay, first you need some paper. Have you got the paper? And some sellotape. See. And once you have sellotaped all the pieces together, can you flip it over for me, Charlie? So we turn it onto the other side. Yeah. Oh look, I can see your shadow on the piece of paper. Can you wave? Woo! Can you flip it over? So the sticky tape is on the other side. That's it. Right, now we need to line up your objects. Right, Charlie, you've got to line them up so that the shadow is on the paper. Oh, can you see the shadow of the pterodactyl when it's like that?
No.
What do you need to do? Let's try with the dinosaur. Can we see it?
Yeah.
Can you see the shadow? Well, what if... Oh, you can see my shadow. What if we move it like that? Can you see? Now we can draw around the Diplodocus. To help you line them up, Charlie, where's your shadow facing at the minute? Can you point to it? Yeah, so where does the dinosaur need to be so we can get the shadow on the paper? Want to try again? Oh, is it on the paper now? Yeah, that's it. I can see the shadow. Now the pterodactyl's flat, so I can't get the shadow on the paper. Is there another way we can do it, Charlie?
Yeah.
Go on then, you show me. So you can see the pterodactyl shadow on the paper. Oh wow, look at that. So maybe I could hold it and you could draw around it. Then it'll look like the pterodactyl's flying in the sky. What do you notice? What might happen if we move the paper? Can you carefully draw around the shadows? Oh, now can you carefully draw around the dinosaur's shadow? Look at that.
Good job, Charlie.
Wow. What two dinosaurs have we got there?
We have a T-Rex and
A Diplodocus, isn't it? Whoa, we've even found a volcano and a safari truck. Sometimes the sun moves, so getting the shadows can be quite tricky, but if you hold it, you should be able to see our safari truck's shadow on a piece of paper. And look, we have made our very own dinosaur land. Here's your next step. Explain why we have a shadow. That's a really good question. Why do we have a shadow? Where does it come from? How do we get a shadow? Do you know? I don't know. What happens if you move? Does the shadow move too, or does it stay where it is? What if I move the dinosaurs? Would the shadow still stay on the paper? I don't know. Maybe you could test this for me, boys and girls, because I really don't know. I've got a new... What if we could make our shadow disappear? Do you think we could? How would you make your shadow disappear? Oh, I really need your help. Do you think you can go and find out, boys and girls, do a little bit of an experiment? And if you can, get mummy and daddy to take a picture and send it to your teachers. We'd love to find out. I mean, I really want to know how to make a shadow disappear and explain where it comes from, because I have no idea. And maybe you could do a little video explaining how you know all these things, or if you can find out the answer, and send them to us so we can see, and then you can help me out so I can tell Charlie, because I don't think Charlie knows either. Well, stay tuned. I'm going to send another video, and it's going to be about making shadow puppets. So look out for our next video, and I'll see you soon, boys and girls. Take care. Lots of love. Bye.